Oliverta, thanks for taking the time to join me. The Court of Appeal has ruled that the Home Office must take a much closer look at family circumstances when deciding applications and appeals. Could you please explain a little bit more about this ruling for anyone that may be concerned?
Oh, yes. Well, this is very relevant, and it couldn't have come in a much better time than now. If you remember on last chart, on 11th of November, Home Office introduced the part suitability rules. What it means practically for clients is, for instance, if you had a breach on immigration, you were an overstayer, or you had not reported or something, and you went back voluntary, you paid for your flight, you would still be subject to a mandatory refusal for the first 12 months, or if they paid for you, 2 to 5 years, but that's another conversation. But it impacted a lot of people greatly, because suppose you have a child and you're here and you're going back to get your visa. For the first 12 months, you would be refused on the spot. And then after that, you had the discretionary refusal, but we'll come to that. Now, this new ruling, it states that the ECO, the entry clearance officer, or the decision maker should actually take a much closer look at your family circumstances. They should look at your family life, that if there is a possibility of your rights, your human rights getting breached out of this decision, so it getting interfered, then they should actually take the approach of looking at circumstances surrounding you, like family members who can provide financial support, or how it will affect your British partner or your child. So it's much more lenient, and it gives a lot of hope for applicants as such to get that visa granted under human rights, obviously.
Does sound like a very positive, more humane approach to the system.
Yes, I'm actually quite pleased with this precedent. And for anyone who is interested to know a bit more and how it may affect them directly, because every case, let's remember and let's re-emphasize this, that every case is different. You may have very similar circumstances, but every case is different because we're different. So please get in touch. Get in touch. I would be more than happy to listen to you and then apply this new ruling and the part suitability and advise you properly before you actually take that much needed step in moving forward.
Thank you, Oliverta.